welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are in
Epcot, and we're going to be doing the new firework show, and it's called Epcot Forever.
And we're super excited. Sadly, yesterday was the last fireworks show and we missed it. But today we're here to see the newest one, so we're super excited for that one. So let's go. So guys, it's only one more minute until it starts. It's starting.
Welcome to the future. Should I say your future? If we can dream it, then we can do it. Yes, we can. Here we go. May peace go with you forever and ever as you celebrate the future hand in hand.
Oh my gosh! Imagine the fireworks on there. Wow, that's cool.
monkeys and kites. Like, that was so cool.
I totally agree with Kala. That like added to everything, and it was so beautiful. And they had fireworks on top of the kites. That was so cool.
It's like fireworks and kites explaining a story.
Yeah, and it was so beautiful too. So guys, when I was telling you they had the kites on fire, that's why they're probably in the water, so it doesn't like make a fire or anything, but they just leave it on the water. Probably not to start a fire or anything, but they're pretty like safe. Cause like I've never seen that happen before, but I heard like fireworks do cause a lot of like fires. Leave it in the water. Probably in the next show they'll just pick it up and dry it and then do the exact same thing, which is pretty cool. I love that part. They're blasting the music. Oh, okay. Oh, wow, blasted again. They're blasting the music. I can barely talk to you guys. And it's only a Tuesday, and I've never seen Epcot this crowded before. It's crazy. What is this? This is the dessert party. And we didn't have the greatest view because we came a little bit late and we forgot like a thing for the camera, so we couldn't record, so we're recording on the phone, which also gave us some issues. I bet next time when they show it again, when we come back and see it, we'll have a better spot so you guys can see it and you guys can see it easier.
But I feel like it'll be the same amount of crowd.
Probably. And now they're picking up the kites. I don't know if you guys can see it very well, but they're picking up the kites and it's pretty cool.
It's pretty cool how they pick up the lights. I mean the kites, not lights.
So they're just carrying with them. So I was correct. They leave it on the water because it was like they had fireworks on top of it. So it could have burnt somewhere, and then they pick it up after. Probably next time we should be here because it seemed like a very good view.
Yeah, it looks pretty good.
And we're in Japan.
We just found out that the new fireworks show would be temporary.
Because next year they're gonna make another one. I bet will be much longer, so maybe that's why it was pretty short. Because they didn't want to waste like time on that one. What an amazing night. We just saw Kyle again, which was really great.
And we met Michael Kit and his brother Dave.
And they were super nice, and they were so awesome. We'll link their channels down below, but it was super cool to meet them. Sadly, our adventure has ended.
But we really had a great time.
It was so fun meeting everybody. Oh my God, I can't wait to come back and meet them again. And I can't wait to come back to see the show again. It was so awesome.
It was
but really
so
short.
Cool.
So if you like this video, please subscribe down below.
Smash that like button, turn on the bell for notifications.
Bing, and feel free to comment down below.
Always remember to
be cool and stay awesome.
See you guys in our next adventure. Bye guys.
Bye.
Boom,
boom,
boom.